Improving the graphics settings in Apex Legends can enhance your gaming experience by providing better visuals and smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to optimize your settings quickly. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the main menu. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu where you can adjust various game options. Step 2. Adjust display settings. In the settings menu, go to the video tab. Here you can change the resolution, full screen mode and aspect ratio. Set the resolution to match your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. Step 3. Modify graphics quality. Still in the video tab, look for the graphics quality section. You can choose presets like low, medium, high or custom. For better performance, consider starting with medium and adjust individual settings from there. Step 4. Fine-tune advanced graphics options. Scroll down to the advanced section. Here, you can tweak settings like anti-aliasing, texture streaming, budget, and ambient occlusion. Adjust these settings based on your hardware capabilities to find a balance between performance and visual fidelity. Step 5. Save and test changes. After making your adjustments, click Apply to save the changes. Launch your game to test the new settings and see how they affect your gameplay. You may need to revisit the settings to make further adjustments based on your experience. By following these steps, you can enhance your Apex Legends graphics settings for a more enjoyable gaming experience. Happy gaming!